Hey guys, for this video, I will show you how to make WIX website fast. First, go to your WIX account, then click the arrow beside Create New Site and choose WIX Editor. Choose Start Chat for more precise setup. It will use AI to help you generate your website, just answer the questions. And at the end, click on Go to Dashboard. Then to edit your site, click on Design Site at the top, and then choose either of the two. After the generated design, just click on Continue with this design and continue to Editor. And that's it. You now have your website and you can edit it to your liking. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips.